And we are actually getting ready for Comic-Con with the 607 RC Junkies. I think I'm going to bring the crawler. I'm definitely bringing the SC5M. And we'll see what else we bring. Maybe I'll bring the little midget out. Maybe the E10. We'll see here shortly. It feels like... it depends on how much I feel like carrying in there. Hey, shout out RDT Products on this chassis skin. This thing is absolutely awesome. It even has all the... screw holes pre-dimpled and kind of cut out. That's the first time I've ever gotten something like that, and the colors are just absolutely amazing. It does not do it justice on this camera, so shout out RDT Products, and thanks for a freaking awesome chassis skin. WPO. That's all Richie's stuff. He has a shitload of crap. Josh's drift truck.
Oh. Do you have insurance, sir? Well, you just ruined my helicopter. This is a $10 kabillion helicopter, sir. I don't think you know what you've done. I'll get over it. It's all great. Okay. Is it almost dead?
What's up, guys? It's now day 2 at Comic-Con. I'm going to head up there with the 607 RC Junkies, and we're going to drive some RCs around the mall and meet some interesting characters. I was able to make it in one trip yesterday, but it doesn't look like I'm going to get that lucky. So let's go over here, grab the gear bag, and you know what, actually, we're just going to take 2 trucks in, and then we'll grab that next.
Can't wait to see that, sir.
I know, I can't wait either. Took a hit that carpet and was like, whoop. That's different.
So I was out there yesterday doing the same.
made it this far, I want to thank you all for watching. Shout out to Comic-Con for having us there, the 607 RC Junkies. Shout out to Josh for kind of initiating everything, getting us in there. And then to Dooman and Seth for building us tracks, supplying the materials. We appreciate it, guys. It was a lot of fun. We'll see you guys at the Twin Tiers Outdoor Expo in February. And I also want to give a thanks to all the other 607 RC Junkies that came out and showed support. It was awesome. We were packed all weekend. At least when I was there was always a bunch of spectators watching. Can't wait to get some rental trucks out there and get people more involved. And then I also want to remind you guys, if you are in the 607 area code, go ahead and join the group at 607 RC Junkies. And don't forget to like my Facebook page, follow me on Instagram, and click the subscribe button below at Naughty Boy Racing. See you later.